The problem is our society's lack of insight into what is involved in acquiring literacy.
So when we think we're going to fix the reading problem in the country by teaching beginning reading in a particular way, we're fooling ourselves.
If I had my druthers, instructional methods wouldn't be the big deal out there. What would be the big deal is if teachers could ask themselves, what does it take to learn to read?
We need to reconceptualize what it means to learn to read, who's responsible for its success if we're going to deal